This is Biotronix air compression therapy device by Solution Forever. This is 8 chamber digital model DVT pump. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 chambers in the same. While the other models in the market is 4 chamber only. This is the 8 chamber model. And you can see the quality of the device. You can carry the same with the handle. This is the heavy duty device. And there will be 2 leg sleeve with the same. One is this one, second is this one, and there is 1 arm sleeve with the same. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 chamber in the same, and there is 1 waist sleeve with the same. You can see over there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the waist sleeve, and these are the connecting tubes with the same. Currently patient is using the device, and you can see that this is the touch panel. You can start and stop with just touching the same like this. Also there will be remote for the patient, so the patient can carry the remote in their hand and adjust the same as per requirement. This is the timer display. You can see this is the mode A, B, C, D, E, F. While the other models in the market is having just 1 to 3 modes, our device is having 6 modes. Modes means the way the sleeve will get inflate and deflate. Like in the mode A, 2 chamber is getting inflated and 2 deflated. So in mode B, the same will be happening in the different way. Like 1 and 3 chamber will inflate, or the alternate one will inflate or deflate. Like this, there are 6 modes in the same. And there are 8 chamber. The leg sleeve is divided into 8 chamber, separate 8 chamber. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these chamber will inflate and deflate according to the modes. And you can see the same in the arm too. So currently patient is using 1 leg extension, 1 leg sleeve and 1 arm sleeve. But there will be 2 leg sleeves. The second one is this. You can see the quality of the material. And this is the 8 sleeves. And 1 arm sleeve will be there. All the connecting tubes, and 1 waist sleeve will be there. You can see that if the size of the leg is bigger than the standard leg sleeve like this, then you can plug in this. There will be leg extension will be there with our model, while the other model in the market don't have leg extension. We have the option for leg extension. If the size of the patient leg is bigger, then extension can be used like this way. Like this is the extension we have put in the sleeve, and the patient can easily use that device. So leg extension pair will be there. One leg extension is this, and one is this one. You can see the same is connected. Pressure range you can increase or decrease from here. Like I am decreasing it, I am increasing it now. You can select the pressure range from 30 to 250, while the other models in the market is having 20 to 200. We are having the 250 maximum for the thing. And any time if the patient feels the discomfort in any of the chamber, you can just press the same and switch off the same. While the other chambers will remain active, this chamber will remain inactive. Then also you can switch on the same too. The device is connected with the main power supply, so you can see it's a direct operated, and you can check the quality of the material.